What's up guys? Si Boy Jemboy. Ayan. So, another health and safety talk. Once again, pag-usapan natin yung pagkatapos sa graduate or matapos yung safety officer course ng isang safety officer, paano ba niya i-approach yung management, particularly yung mga compliances. So, ang gagawin ng safety officer, unang-una, dapat maging certified siya ng isang organization. Si HR ang magsa-certify sa kanya. And then next, kailangan niyang bumuo ng Health and Safety Committee. Yung Health and Safety Committee, yan ay magpa-plan at magde-develop ng pangatlong step na gagawin. Yun yung Occupational Safety Net Program applicable doon sa workplace. Sino ba yung mga members ng Health and Safety Committee? Ang members ng Health and Safety Committee, ito yung top management. Yung chairman, yun yung pinakamataas sa isang organization. Ang secretary dito, yung safety officer. And then ang members niya, yung mga supervisors, managers, rank and file, first aider, occupational health personnel, nurses, doctors. No? Mag-identify sila ng safety at health hazards sa workplace at magde-develop sila ng control measures. Yun yung engineering, administrative, at personal protective equipment. So after nila makabuo ng OSH program, si top management, i-approve niya yung occupational safety net program applicable dun sa workplace. And then yun yung implementation na gagawin sa workplace. So ang gagawin ng safety officer, matapos niyang magawa lahat nun, steps na yun, uh, imo-monitor at i-audit niya yung workplace kung sinusunod ba yung nakalagay sa OSH program. Yun lamang muna ngayon at sa susunod ulit ng ating vlog. Thank you so much!